Colloquial language is informal. Conversational language used in everyday speech, distinct from formal language in often
Parang nakapag-meeting, no?
Examples include using Ghana instead of going to call it a carbonated drink, a pop or soda, depending on location or referring to a cup or a cup of tea. While ideal for casual settings, it should be avoided in formal writing like academic papers.
Kulang.
Formal and conversational. Colloquial language is the casual everyday language speaking with friends or family. Written specific expressions can be unique to a particular grammatical area like using families of might vary in weeks, but instead of higher and ignore image. Context dependent is relevant for informal writing like emails or social media, but not for formal text such as business letters or
Formal what? Informal conversation. You usually use this when you chat. Yun yung ginagamit nyo when you talk, mga informal. Pero when we say ng mga title defense, bawal na siya gamitin ha, kasi formal naman. Like speeches, formal na dapat ang gagamitin. Ito pang ano lang. Puro naman sila earth,